What's up YouTube, Brad here with American Tactical Inn, and I'm here to show you our match grade drop-in barrels for your 9mm Glocks. If you're looking to add a suppressor to your Glock 17, 19, or 43, our 416R stainless steel threaded models are perfect for you. However, if you're just looking for a match grade barrel, our non-threaded models will eat whatever you feed it, including lead bullets. Installation is simple, and here's how you do it. First, we're going to drop the magazine, visually inspect the chamber, give it a few good racks, make sure there is nothing in the chamber. Point it in a safe direction before you pull the trigger. Bring the slide back just a hair, pull down on the takedown lever, and slide right off the frame. Remove your recoil spring and your stock barrel. Now, the only difference between installation with a threaded barrel and a non-threaded barrel is that with the threaded barrel, you need to take the thread protector off. So we'll do that. Slide that into the frame, put the thread protector back on. These thread protectors can go on either way to these 416R stainless cut barrels. Replace our recoil spring, slide it right back on the frame. Give it a few good racks, and you're ready to go. We're going to load up some mags and head out to the range. We'll see you out there.